First of all, let's talk about common issues while solving prelim paper in examination hall. While you all are solving the prelims paper in exam hall, you face four symptoms. The first symptom is confusion despite knowledge. You know the correct answer, but while you are marking in the OMR, you end up marking the wrong answer on the OMR sheet. This is the first common issue. The second is indecision between two options. There will be at least 20 to 25 questions where you will be stuck between two options. And finally, you choose the wrong one. The third major issue that you face in the examination hall is unable to complete the first iteration itself, even in 90 minutes. And the fourth is you have cleared general study, but you fail to clear CSAT. These are the four common issues that you all must be facing if you are not able to clear prelims. Now, what are the reasons behind common issues? The first is unstructured last minute preparation. We read numerous resources, a lot of books in just 3 months before the exam, and that is also not structured. We are reading polity one day, then reading history. We are not structuring our revision schedule. Everything is going in a haphazard manner. The second is ineffective test series approach. We attempt a lot of tests in last 2 months, 50, 60 tests. We are solving a number of institute tests, and we are not analyzing even a single test. We are just attempting and attempting. We are not doing any SWOT analysis, that is strength weakness analysis, and just attempting the paper. That has little effect in your preparation. That means you have a core. On behalf of that, you are just attempting test. You are not enhancing anything. Thus, the use of test series becomes negligible. The third is reliance on shortcuts. If you can see this PPT, the photograph itself, it's a meme. There are lots of experts. मैं expert हूँ, मुझे सब आता है, and you get entangled into that. After failing, there is no harm in saying this, that once we fail in any stage, we start believing that everyone else around us knows better than us. So because of this, we start chasing a lot of hacks, a lot of tricks. And let me be very honest, it ends up with a negative result most of the time because there is no trick. If you see UPSC examination pattern, this itself is evolving with every year. Then how can there be one trick or hack which has been developed through reverse engineering? You know the answer, and then you can now find n number of clues out of it. This doesn't work in this process. And the fourth is CSAT negligence. Many of you will be good in maths, many of you will be good in English, and then you think that if I am good in English, I will combine it with reasoning and I will clear CSAT. If you are good in maths, you think that I am good in maths, I don't need to practice reasoning, I can just clear CSAT with maths along with some reasoning. But this is not happening. Even if your English is very, very good, then also you will not have accuracy more than 75 to 80%. That means you still need to solve some mathematics question, and reasoning is becoming more like mathematics. So you need to prepare maths even if you know English, and vice versa. Maths questions are not that easy that even if you are from IIT, even if you are from IIM Ahmedabad, you will not be able to solve more than 60-70% question. Such is the level of difficulty. So you also need to practice reading comprehension, and that practice shouldn't be starting in last 45 days. It should start before. It should start in a incremental manner. Like you can start solving one question, two question of mathematics from now itself. It will hardly take 15-20 minutes. But if you solve daily from now onwards, you will feel that your basics have been corrected after 30-40 days itself. You will feel confident because UPSC question level is very difficult. And if you are not having good base of mathematics, if you don't know percentage, if you don't know the ratio and proportion, then how you will solve number system, permutation, combination, and any difficult topic of mathematics? You need to prepare basics to go and solve the hard questions or the advanced questions.